Hello, cottage food entrepreneurs! Keeping a clean and sanitized workspace is key to your success and the safety of your customers. Let's break down how to properly clean and sanitize your kitchen, focusing on food contact surfaces and dishware. Sanitizing eliminates harmful microorganisms so that all surfaces that touch food are safe. For the cottage food program, we recommend using a chlorine bleach solution. When purchasing chlorine bleach, look for unscented and regular chlorine bleach. Avoid scented and splashless options, as scents add additional chemicals that can contaminate food. Check the product's label for an EPA registration number to verify that the dilution is food safe. Make sure to always read and follow the label directions. Do not mix bleach with any other chemicals, including liquid soap, and use manufacturer's test strips to make sure your solution is at the right concentration, between 50 to 100 parts per million. Common guidance for products containing 7.5 to 8.25% available chlorine bleach is 1 teaspoon to 1 gallon of water for 100 parts per million concentration. Here's how to clean your workspace before you start cooking or after you're finished. Remove all food and debris from counters and prep areas. Clean and sanitize the sink. Wipe down all surfaces with a clean cloth and your chlorine sanitizing solution. Don't forget to clean your sponges, brushes, and cloths. And make sure to replace them when they are worn out. Deep clean regularly, including inside appliances, behind equipment, and other hard-to-reach spots. All dishware and utensils should be washed using a 3-step process: wash, rinse, and sanitize. If you don't have a 3-compartment sink, use a setup with 3 plastic basins. Here's the process. Scrape food debris into the trash. Using a scrub brush in good condition, wash dishes in hot water at 110 degrees Fahrenheit with detergent, and apply friction to prevent biofilm buildup. Rinse with clean, warm water and visually check items for any remaining food debris. Sanitize by immersing items fully in your chlorine bleach solution for at least 7 seconds. You can also sanitize your dishes by using the sanitize option on your dishwasher, which utilizes hot water. Air dry completely before storing and avoid using reusable towels. Follow these steps every time, and you'll keep your home kitchen safe and ready to serve delicious food with confidence.